Hello my little artists. Today, we're going to draw something super cute. A happy, smiling kitty. So grab your notebook, a pencil, and all your favorite colors. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw a big round circle. Look, I'm using tape to help make the circle nice and perfect. This will be our kitty's face. Now on each side of the circle, we'll draw two pointy ears, one on the left and one on the right. These are her listening ears, that can hear even the tiniest whispers. Next, we'll add two big round black eyes. Don't forget to add a little sparkle, just a tiny white dot in each eye. Look, now she's coming to life. She looks so real. She's looking right at us, and I think she's smiling too. Let's draw a tiny, round little nose, so cute and button-like. And now, a sweet little smile. Can you see it? She's trying to say meow, meow. Now let's draw her whiskers. 3 on one side, and 3 on the other. Did you know? A cat's whiskers help her find her way, even in the dark. Pretty cool, right? Let's add a few tiny tufts of hair on her forehead. These show she's a little playful and a lot clever. And just like that, our kitty's face is ready. Now comes the best part, coloring time. Let's start by coloring in her ears. I'm thinking of orange. But what do you think, friends? Maybe red? Or soft pink? Use any color you love, this is your special kitty. Now let's color in the little hairs on her forehead too. I'm using orange here as well, to make her look fun and full of mischief. Now it's time for the biggest part, her whole face. I'm going with yellow because it's bright and happy, but you can choose blue, green, or even soft pink if you want. Be gentle with your colors, little artists. Take your time and color all the way to the corners. Don't worry if you go a little outside the lines. Wanna know secret? When we color with love, our drawings start to smile. Look closely, isn't our kitty's smile getting bigger? Oh wait, the whiskers. Let's color them black so they shine just right. Did you finish coloring? If not, no problem at all. Take your time. Coloring isn't a race, it's a story we create with care. And if a little color goes outside the lines, don't worry. Every artwork has a bit of fun and mess. That's what makes it special. You can decorate your kitty any way you like. Why not make a pink or blue kitty today? Look at that, kids. How beautiful our drawing has turned out. Now you draw your own happy kitty, and show it proudly to your mom and dad. If you had fun today, we'll draw even more cute animals and cartoons next time. So until the next video, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep coloring your world with joy. Bye bye, little artists. And yes, take really good care of yourselves.